So right now we'll be flying in the autonomous mode. As you can see, the blue one is my fence of inclusion, in other words the geofence of inclusion, and the red lines indicate my flight plan. So I will be arming the vehicle and then take off and follow the flight plan, and the vehicle will return to launch from its final waypoint. So let's go on with the flight plan. So as you can see, action, and I would like to click on mission start after arming the vehicle. So I'm handing over the camera to my brother. Hold on the camera. So right now I'm going to arm the vehicle. So the vehicle has been armed. And right now I would like to start the mission. So start mission. Yes. Auto mode. So the vehicle is flying to waypoint 1 initially. There is strong wind right now. Flying to waypoint 2. Flying to waypoint 2. Flying to waypoint 3. There is strong wind, as I can see. Flying to waypoint 4 within the boundaries of the geofence. Heading to waypoint 5. Waypoint 6. Waypoint 7. Heading to waypoint 8. Heading to waypoint 9. And this is the final waypoint from where the RTL or the return to launch mode will be initiated. No, from the waypoint 10, yeah. Right now it's returning to its home position from where it was launched. And it should be coming down, hovering for 5 seconds at the RTL altitude, which is 7 meters. It's gradually coming down to its launch position. The disturbance is caused by the wind due to bad weather condition. The vehicle is coming down, and it has landed.